Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. Here are some common classroom English phrases and sentences that teachers often use with students. Good morning or afternoon, everyone. Let's begin our lesson. Please take your seats. Who is absent today? Please open your books to page number. Let's read this passage together. Can you repeat that, please? Listen carefully. Write this down. Pay attention to the board. Raise your hand if you have a question. Please be quiet. Let's stay focused. Work with your partner. Form groups of 3. Time to clean up. Please hand in your homework. Great job. Well done. That's correct. Nice try, but that's not quite right. Keep practicing. Do you understand? Is everything clear? Any questions? Can someone explain this in their own words? Time's up. Let's review today's lesson. For homework, please. See you next class. Have a great day. Please respect your classmates. Let's give everyone a chance to speak. Wait your turn. Please, no talking while I'm talking. Who can answer this question? Any volunteers? I'd like to hear from someone who hasn't spoken yet. What do you think about this? These phrases help create a structured and engaging learning environment. They also provide clear instructions and feedback, which are essential for effective teaching.